Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this memory cooler. It calls the D50 RGB Ram Radiator. So this is RGB means with lights, so there is lights inside. And then yeah, it's a RAM radiator. So it's a cooler that you can put over your RAM and then it blows air onto it to cool your RAM. So this is the box. As you can see it's a font size of 50 on 50 millimeters high. Fan speed 1000 to 3500 RPM, and then it is a 13.5 CFM airflow. So yeah, it's not bad. 4-pin, so this is maybe also important. It's 4-pin hydraulic bearing. The lid works at 5 volts and the fan at 12. But yeah, with the fan you can choose your yeah, power. So you can drop it still. So this is the box as you can see it. This is in the box. There is some paper. So you see that it is Chinese, but it's nothing special. There is in instructions how you put the RAM radiator onto your RAM. So some plastic wrap, also important. That's why I like this. This is metal. I think it's aluminium or something. Yeah, it's aluminium. So this is better for cooling and stuff. So yeah, as you can see it, this is the cable. I will open it. So it looks nice. It looks solid also. It doesn't look fluffy or how do you say it? It's quite okay. And then yeah. So this is the cable. This is for the phone 4-pin, and you have an extension for it. And then here you have, what is this? For the RGB lighting, this is 3-pin 5 volts. So what I like is that there is a cap onto it, because if you do not have a cap you can shortcut the system maybe and things like that, and we don't like that. So such a cap is quite important. Here if you put it in, this is safe because the pins cannot touch anything. So this is the length of the cable. I will show it to my arm how long it is. So you see it's an arm length, yeah. And here you still can disconnect things, but this is a different connector, so you cannot put it directly onto it. So yeah, D50 RGB RAM cooler, as you can see it. I also want to tell you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified. You can win laptops, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of computer things. We will give away things, yeah. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and then you can win something. And if you like this video, please click the like button, because if you like this video we can create more from these videos and show you more. So don't forget to click on the like button, and then yes, I see you and bye bye.